Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating my passion planner. This is in the small size, which is equivalent to an A5, and it's just going to be quick and easy today because I was having a really hard time deciding what stickers to use, and I literally brought out a bunch of sticker books and I ended up with my usual Whimsy Luxe. You can never go wrong with Whimsy Luxe. Like, it's crazy. I practically use her stickers like almost every week. Like, let's see. These are her stickers. These are her stickers. These are her stickers. This is Audrey Ica, or I think that's, no, I don't know what it's called. I'll show you all in a little bit. It's Paper Ica Shop. This is Bubba Bear Studios. This is Whimsy Luxe. This is Sticker Guru with Erin Condren, Whimsy Luxe, Whimsy Luxe, Whimsy Luxe. And we're doing Whimsy Luxe again with a little mix of Bubba Bear Studios. And then I also brought some of these from Paper Ica Shop. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not really sure. I already used the little girls on it. So I figured maybe I can start incorporating these into other spreads. So let's go ahead and do it. The only thing I'm thinking about using from this kit is the little stickers from the top, the days of the week, because I feel like it goes really well with this little spread right here. So I think that's going to be the first thing I'm going to add. I will say it's not like, it doesn't line up. So I'm gonna cut the, oh my gosh, I feel like I can't talk. I'm gonna cut these off. And I'm actually really excited to use this because I got this for free. It was part of my little, oh, you know what I could do is maybe put, yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Hold on. I'm going to set this off to the side really quick. And I'm going to grab some washi because I think some washi is going to look really cute up here. So, and I think it'll kind of like not complete it, but like kind of make it more uniformed, I guess you can say. I just don't know if I have a washi that's going to match well enough. But let's see. Maybe I can just use like a striped washi. I feel like that would be good enough. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use the striped washi. You know what also would look really pretty is maybe like this polka dot one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this polka dot one. And this one looks a little bit better. I've had this for years, so it's starting to like fall apart. And like at this point, like I should probably like already start getting rid of it, but I'm not gonna do that because I like these polka dots. And I feel like it'll be easy to replace come the time that it is time to replace it, to get a new one. But we're getting pretty close. I feel like it was gonna last me forever, but practically almost did. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I think this part is gonna look really pretty. I really hope so, at least. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I try not to have really high hopes, so I don't like let myself down or anything, but I don't think that's going to be the case today. So I think it'll be really cute if I put it down here, because the only thing that I put on like today's focus is like to eat healthy, but let me see. I'm going to use my regular little tweezers. No, I think I'm gonna add it up here. Yeah, we'll keep it normal. So Monday, this kit is made for a Hobonichi Weeks. I actually got this one as like a little like oopsie bundle, and so that's why the days of the week are all, they look all weird because usually it would go like this. So yeah, I think this one's a little crooked, but I don't really mind it. I think it'll be fine. My hands are really shaky. I'm trying to be like extra careful when I'm cutting. Okay, I haven't had like a real dinner, so I should probably, I think after I decorate this spread, I'm gonna go have me a good dinner because I have not had a good dinner. when I got off of work, I made me some French toast. I've been doing keto these past few weeks, and I've actually been staying pretty committed with him. Been doing pretty good. And I had bought some keto bread. And so with the keto bread, I was able to make some French toast, but then I kind of ruined my appetite, obviously. And now I'm having like a later dinner, but it'll be okay. Okay. And then Saturday and Sunday. Okey-dokes. I want to say that I have been obsessed with this planner. Like, I've just been loving it. It's been absolutely perfect for me. Exactly what I was looking for. Who would have thought? Who would have ever guessed or imagined that I would have been in a passion planner? I sure didn't see that coming, let me tell you. Okay, I'm thinking about covering this up, so I'm gonna grab that washi again, and as a matter of fact, I'm probably gonna keep it out just because I'm gonna continue using it. So I'm gonna cover this up right here. I don't really use this section. Sometimes I'll use it for like a grocery list or quick little reminders, but I feel like I have so much space up at the top that it's really not necessary. So that's the way I think. But let's go ahead and add some of these cute little daisies. I'm just gonna like add them in like random spots. And I feel like this is gonna be more of a daisy than like adding any of the other little flowers. At least that's what I'm thinking. But we'll see what happens. Okay, that's cute. I do feel like I always do kind of the same thing, but it's fine. I don't really care. Like, I just feel like what works for me is just what works, and that's it. I personally don't do a lot on Sundays that require like planning. So that's really why I always am pretty sticker heavy on this side. But yeah, it kind of makes sense for me. Okay, I'm gonna use the tweezers and add this right here in this little box, just so the sticker doesn't go to waste. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this side, with this little sticker that's hanging off. I know it's not much, but we don't like to see stickers go to waste. The only thing I don't use in the passion planner is this little thing. Oh, you know what? Don't even matter. Okay. So I'm thinking about adding this one on this side somewhere, maybe right here. I think that'll look cute. I know it's gonna be covering up some of the errand section, but I think it'll be okay. Right here. I think that's cute. And I think I'm gonna split this one in halfsies. And I'm gonna do half over on this side and then half on this side right over here. I'm gonna use the tweezers. I always forget to use the little tweezers. Okay. And there it is. Okay, so the only thing I'd have to do is cut a little bit of this. Okay, cute. All right. Okay, I think I'm okay with these for now, but I am probably gonna use this one that says it's the weekend down over here. Or should I put it up here? I think I should put it up at the top. So then in that case, I'm gonna use the little tweezers. Okay, cute. This one doesn't really match the colors, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it and put this right here. The other thing that I wanted to use was this little tracker. Okay, I am gonna use this. But what I'm gonna do is cut it in half on the white little section and just kind of maybe stack it, I'm thinking. Like that. You know, I'm not going to use this one. Yeah. Do I have any appointments next week? I do. Tuesday, I have my infusion. So this works out perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and use this right here. Okay, cute. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm thinking about incorporating a little bit of yellow, but I'll do that here in a second. I do want to add a little bit of something, you know? Okay, I'm gonna add this one to mark, maybe like put it right here like as if it was washi. I wish I had another little piece of like blue so I could put it right here, but maybe I can add like a dot or something. No, I feel like that's weird. I think it'll be okay. No, you know what? I'm gonna add this little Bubba Bear. That'll be cute. Or at least I think it'll be cute. Okay, yeah. Adorable. Okay. Now I want to add just a couple of these boxes. Church on Sunday, but I am gonna put them a little crooked. I don't mind that. I know some people do, and I totally get it, but I personally don't. And then my husband has an appointment on Thursday, but I'm gonna mark that, I think, at the bottom, just because I still have to work, you know. But I do want to add this little like washi strip to like hold on to it type of thing, to make it seem like I taped it on. I think that looks cute. And here's another blue one that I can use, which is perfect. Cute. Okay. And I'm gonna use this little coffee. I love using stickers from small sticker shops. I just feel like the detail and all the attention that goes into them, like, it's just like truly a work of art, you know? Okay, I'm gonna put this right over here. And then this can go right here for my start of the week, obviously. And then I always like to do my planning and stuff on Sunday. So I think I'm gonna add this right here. This is gonna be church day, but I'm still gonna add that right there, which is fine. Oh, you know what'd be really cute? This little tasks list. And I can add it down here, but I'm gonna use some of that washi and add it down here. Will it like come in the way? No, not really. Okay. Wait, why is that different? Oh, okay, I'm gonna have to remove this. Maybe I can like scoot it down. Don't tear my page, don't tear my page. Okay. Oh, this one looks like I put it on a little bit crooked over here on this side. Now it's kind of struggling there, but you know what I can do is just put it like this. Problem solved. I don't even care that it covers that up a little bit. I think it looks fine. Actually, maybe I can add some little dots to kind of like incorporate on here, like some of that color that we've been using. Okay, cute. Let's see what else. Oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna put this right here. I know that it really has nothing to do with what is going on this day, but where can I put it? You know what? I'm just gonna put it down here. What if I write my, like a book summary, book review type of situation? I think that would look really cute. And then I want to use one of these boxes, but I don't want it as big. So let's do the good old trick of like trying this thing out, which in that case, I think I may remove this one. Okay, we saved it. Put it right here. Okay. Just overlap the stickers a little bit. Okay, I think that looks fine. It's not too bad. And then I'll just put this right here, and that'll help it. That'll make it look a little bit better. And then I can add this little like lamp thing. I think right over here. That would look cute. Right here, right here. I think right here. Okay. That looks stinking adorable. Okay, love it. I think that is it for now. The only thing I would probably do is like add like my Coffee Monster Co. stickers that I keep, like some of these, but that can come later. But you know what? I'm gonna add one of these little, I don't have any other labels that would match this spread. Oh, this one would match. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, but I don't have any little box stickers that would match this. No. Okay, but that's totally fine. Because then I can just use this one. We'll use this one, and here's my little tweezers, and I'll just put it right here. Cute. And then this, like, you had me at stickers. I don't even know where I'm gonna put it, but I like it. Dang, I really, you know what? We'll put it right here, because this is gonna be the day that I'm gonna do my planning and stuff. So yeah, I think the only thing I would add during the week is like my Coffee Monster Co. stickers, just kind of like representing like what happened that day. And I think this looks adorable. I love the way it turned out. And I always like highlight my hours that I work. So I honestly think I'd probably use the same color. So this like same like brown color, because I think it would match all of this. Yeah, I think that would work out. Anyways, I think this turned out great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.